Welcome student of class 10 icse. Let us discuss about the chapter heat in this chemistry or heat rather in physics. So before we start, if you like this video, then please share as well as subscribe the scientific smart coaching. So there are different terms of in the specific there are different terms in specific heat capacity and heat quantity, that is heat is the total energy of a body Q equal to Cm delta T. Heat or thermal capacity, heat required to raise temperature of a given mass by 1 degree Celsius. Specific heat capacity, heat required to raise temperature of unit mass. Calorimeter, instrument used for measuring heat and gain loss. Heat when gained or lost. Principle of calorimetry or principle of mixture. Based on law of conservation of energy, heat lost by a hot body equal to heat gained by a cold body. Latent heat. Heat absorbed or released during the changes of state without change in temperature. It may be latent heat of melting, latent heat of freezing, latent of evaporation, latent heat of condensation, latent heat of sublimation, or latent heat of solidification. So, what is latent heat of melting? Heat absorbed, heat released, heat absorbed by a body during the change of solid state to or liquid state without changing temperature is called the latent heat of melting. Specific latent heat required to unit mass to undergo phase change. So these are different terminology. So you have to know about the SI unit also. SI unit of heat equal to joule and 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joule. 1 joule equal 1 calorie 4.2 joule. So there are different heat J equal to K to the power minus 1 or J degree C to the power minus 1. Then so latent heat equal is SI unit is joule and specific latent heat SI unit is joule per kg. So let us discuss about different important questions. Define the term calorie. How is it related with the SI unit of heat? 1 calorie is the heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water from 14.5 degrees C to 15.5 degrees C. 1 calorie equal to 4.2 joule. What are the other units of heat? Calorie, kilocalorie, etc. What are the factors on which the quantity of heat given to a body depend? Mass, the rise or fall in temperature, nature of the material. Ice cream at 0 degree Celsius colder from water at 0 degree Celsius. Give reason. Because we know that we need to supply 336 joule of heat per gram to convert ice at 0 degree Celsius into water at 0 degree Celsius. It follows that ice cream at 0 degree Celsius will draw more, that is 336 joule per gram, from the body than water at 0 degree Celsius. This is why ice cream of 0 degree Celsius feel more colder than water at 0 degree Celsius. Bottled drinks are cooled more effectively when surrounded by lumps of ice cream than iced water. For the same reason, it is for the same reason, so answer should be the same. 1 kg of water freezes in form of ice at 0 degrees. What is the amount of heat is withdrawn? So 3003.36000 joule. Name the SI unit and most commonly used unit. SI unit of heat is joule. Most commonly unit is calorie. 1 calorie equal to 4.18 joule. So these are the important questions. What are the heat supplied by a substance during change? Its change of state not cause any rise in the temperature. During the state of change, supplied increases potential energy of the molecule as distance between molecule increases, work is done by heat supplied against the attractive force. What is the heat capacity of body related to the specific heat capacity of a substance? Heat capacity of body equal to mass of the body into specific heat. So the students, these are the preliminary questions of heat, and in the let us hope that we should produce more heat. And if you like this video, just share